Hello students, welcome to SK classes. Today's our new topic is metals and nonmetals. Elements can be classified as metals and nonmetals on the basis of their properties. First of all, we are discussing about the properties of metals. First of all, we have studied about the physical properties. Number one, all the metals are lustrous. All the metals are generally hard except sodium, potassium and lithium. Third one, all the metals are solid except mercury. And fourth one, all the metals are malleable and they can be beaten into thin sheets. Fifth one, all the metals are ductile, they can be drawn into thin wire. Sixth one, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity except lead and mercury. Seventh one, all the metals have high density and high melting point. And eighth one, metal oxides are basics in nature. And last one is metals are sonorous, means they produce sound on striking. Now we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals. Number one, when metals combine with air or oxygen to form metal oxide. For example, copper react with oxygen, it form copper oxide. Second, metal reacts with water, form oxide and produce hydrogen gas. For example, calcium reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. And third one, when metals reacts with dilute acids form salt and release hydrogen gas. For example, Fe plus HCl gives to FeCl3. It is a salt and produce hydrogen gas. Fourth chemical property is high reactive metals can displace the less reactive metals from their solution. For example, Fe plus CuSO4 gives to FeSO4 plus Cu. Here Fe is more reactive metals and copper is less reactive metals. And the last one, metal oxide, which reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce salt and water, are also called amphoteric oxide. Al2O3 plus 6HCl gives out AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. Here Al2O3 is amphoteric oxide. For metals, we must have to know about the reactivity series of the metals. I am going to define it. It is a series in which metals are arranged in order of their decreasing reactivities. Here I have given you the reactivity series. First one, calcium, sodium, potassium, and just like it is going down up towards to the platinum is least reactive. Some metals just like highly reactive metals, potassium, sodium and calcium react with cold water, while magnesium react with hot water, and other metals like aluminium, zinc and ferrous react with steam water. And after that, the Pb, Cu, Ag, Au, platinum are non-reactive with water. I am going to define some important factors which is important to for the discussion of metals. For example, ores, minerals that contain very high percentage of particular metals and the metals can be profitably extracted from it. Such minerals are called ores. Now I am going to discuss how the metals can be extracted from the ores. First one, we have to enrichment of ores by cleaning it through water. And second one is extraction of metals. And third one is refining of metals. Extraction of metal is very important facts. So I am going to discuss it. Number one, high reactive metals can be extracted by electrolysis method. For example, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium can be extracted by this method. Second one, moderately reactive metals can be extracted by reduction by using carbon with their oxides. For example, zinc, Fe, ferrous, Pb, lead, Cu, copper, Hg, mercury can be extracted by this method. And third one, which are least reactive metals, are found in free states. For example, silver, gold, and platinum. Now we will start some important terms of an extraction to discuss. Number one, gangues. Ores are usually contaminated with large amount of impurities such as soil, sand, etc. called gangue. Second, roasting. To convert the sulfide ore into oxide ore on heating in excess air is called roasting. For example, zinc sulfide plus reaction with oxygen gives zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide so that it can easily reduced. Third one is calcination. To convert the carbonate ores into oxide by heating in limited air is called calcination. So zinc carbonate convert in zinc oxide plus CO2 on heating, and then zinc oxide can be reduced in zinc. And the fourth point is reduction, in which metal oxides are reduced to corresponding metals by reducing agent like carbon. For example, zinc oxide, as previously we have discussed, when reacts with the carbon, then we get zinc metals and carbon monoxide gas is released. And there are some other factors we have to be discussed in this chapter, that is galvanization. It is a method of protecting metals from rusting by coating them with this layer of zinc. And fourth one, alloy. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metals or non-metals so that we can prevent a metal from corrosion. For example, we want a alloy steel that is the combination of iron, nickel and chromium. And same way brass can be the homogeneous mixture of copper, zinc, and bronze can be copper plus tin, and solder can be get by lead and mixing of tin. Our topic metal has completed. In next video we will discuss about the non-metal. I hope you would like this video, and thanks for watching. Do like and share our video and subscribe our channel.